So, Ria, please start and share your story.
Right. I'm just concerned with from the beginning itself or from my CA final journey.
Okay, your CA final journey, पर थोड़ा सा beginning का, please.
Okay, so I have always been a studious person right from my childhood, and I think it is in my genes. मुझे pass on हुआ है. So yeah, 10th में I topped my school, 12th में I topped my school again. Then CA foundation में हमारे time पे there was no rank, so I could not know. Then, but yeah, I had a pretty good, decent score. CA intermediate में I got all India rank 42, and वो जब result आया, I was so disheartened, and I suppose I should not be, but I was, and everyone else was celebrating, and I was hoping it was, just one of the digits. So yeah, I went into my room and I cried myself out, and yeah, from there on, I started my articleship journey from PwC Ahmedabad in statutory audit domain. And yeah, I met wonderful bunch of people. I would not have asked for but a group of people than who I became a CA with. And their support, the leadership, the managers, you know, everyone has been so supportive. So yeah, I had determined कि final में it has to be only one digit. So I prepared for that 6 months. I knew I had to give my all 6 months के लिए, तो yeah, I had to. Then January 24 से I gave up my social life. I started waking up at 4 in the morning every day from 1st January up until before my exams. I have woken up at 4 in the morning. And of course, I do not compromise on my sleep. So I got to sleep by 8 um, in the evening or night. So, yeah, I mean, it has been pretty challenging to keep up with this consistency. But I definitely agree कि 4 से जो 7 बजे तक का टाइम होता है, it is very very productive. जो मैं 3 घंटे में करती थी, उसके बाद वाला टाइम में मैं वही चीजें करती थी. That's that. And of course, I had planned for the entire 6 month period. उसको मैंने break down किया था, and I implemented that every day for 6 months. But what happened was I did not plan for contingencies, and I got sick 2 days before the exam. I had moderately high fever, and I because I had that expectation from myself that I'm working for an all India rank. I broke down morally that this has to happen to me. Why? And then I sat with my parents, my friend. I talked to my friends, and they encouraged me. I did not even want to appear for the exam because I thought I could achieve an all India rank if I go for the next attempt. But then yeah, they encouraged me. They were pretty adamant. They stood with me. They sat with me. FR का exam हुआ. I came home. I got uh, I got severely sick again. I could not get up. AFM के paper के लिए, and that went on through entire all the days of my exam. Doctor को दिखाया. Because of medications, I had to sleep for like 12 to 13 hours. So I could not study during those days. जो मैंने plan किया था, I could not implement in those days. But yeah, if it weren't for my parents, I don't think I would even have appeared for the exam. They used to sit with me. They did not leave me alone for a second, because if if I used to sit alone, I'd start crying. So yeah, and my mom, she took care of my diet. Every hour I had to have something. And every 2 hours I had to have a nap. So, well, it was, it was challenging, but yesterday it was all worth it. I don't even remember how I gave, how I wrote in the exam. I had to sleep this much so that I could conserve the energy for 3 hours. And last paper में तो काफी काफी बिगड़ गया था, and I could not even carry my bags IBS के लिए. I was asking people for help, and well, there was some force which was helping me write the exam. And yesterday, जब results आया, I was जैसे papers गए थे, of course I was hoping कि हाँ all India rank तो आ ही जाएगा, but to get all India rank 2, it was not, it was surreal. The I cannot explain the feeling जब president sir का call आता है. I started screaming, and my family came into my room. I jumped onto my mom, and yeah, it was all tears of joy.
Great. Wonderful story. Believe me, there are so many people who would relate to the पेरेंट्स वाला पार्ट जो आपने बोला. मतलब it is immeasurable. मतलब समझ में मतलब you can't say words. You can never, okay, as to what happens, what is their contribution. I can so much relate
Yeah.
to it. Although मेरे को उतना एक्सपीरियंस नहीं हुआ जितने आपके पेरेंट्स को हुआ है. I too have a daughter.
Yeah.
In fact, she topped all India rank 1 क्लास 12 में इसी साल ISC बोर्ड में. But she managed. Okay, और ये नौबत नहीं आया. In fact, your voice seems to be choking even now. So is it?
I'm not well right now too.
Yeah,
I'm
it
coughing
seems.
continuously.
Yeah, it seems. It seems. Okay. So, great. Congratulations आपके parents को मेरी तरफ से, and
Thank you
they
so
would be very, very proud and happy for you, and they would be expecting loads of happiness for you and health, first of all, because this continuous series of health remaining down is not good. Okay, so it will just turn up.
Yeah.
Okay, so that was the story of Ria, and I am really, really touched by the emotions that ran along with it.